For more than 3 decades, Schluter Systems has been designing and manufacturing innovative products for the ceramic tile and stone industry. Schluter Systems products combine the feedback and insights of top tile professionals with quality American and European craftsmanship. Our products are put to the test daily, and for more than 30 years they've set the pace of innovation. This video will take a close-up look at Schluter Ditra. Specifically designed as an underlayment for ceramic tile and natural stone, Schluter Ditra marks a new era in installation technology. The secret of large tile and marble floors that have lasted for centuries lies in the fact that there was no direct bond between the floor covering and the building structure. To achieve this, a layer of sand was placed below the mortar bed to provide a cleavage plane. This layer of sand uncoupled the tile or marble covering from the building structure, allowing independent movement between the two, thus preventing the transfer of stresses to the tile covering. Today, tiles are predominantly bonded directly on the substrate. However, in a force-conductive assembly, stress caused by movement in the structure is transmitted to the tiled surface. Schluter Ditra incorporates the knowledge of the past with state-of-the-art matting technology to uncouple the tile surface from the substrate, all in a simple thin-set application. The open rib structure on the underside of the Schluter Ditra matting forms the uncoupling function, which allows independent movement between the substrate and the finished surface. Schluter Ditra also has a vapor equalization and waterproofing function that assures lasting installations over today's lightweight and moisture-sensitive building materials, including plywood and OSB, 24-inch on-center truss and I-joist systems, green concrete, gypsum-based screeds, pre-stressed and post-tension concrete, and radiant heated floors. Let's take a look at a typical installation. Plywood and OSB are commonly used substrates for ceramic tile. While it's true that a firm bond between tile and wood can be achieved, the potential for failure lies in the exceedingly large degree of movement in the wood itself due to fluctuations in temperature and moisture. The open rib structure on the underside of the Ditra matting forms the uncoupling function, which allows the substrate to move independently from the tiled surface. The open rib structure also allows the wood to breathe, reducing the risk of warpage. At 40 pounds per 323 square foot roll and less than 2 ounces per square foot, Ditra is the lightest underlayment in the industry, and its ease of handling dramatically reduces installation time. Ditra is installed as quickly as you can spread the thinset and requires no special tools or fasteners. Thinset is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency and troweled on the substrate using a 3/16 by 1/4 inch V-notch trowel. The Ditra matting is rolled into the dry-set mortar in such a way that the fleece on the underside of the Ditra is firmly embedded into the thinset. Using a wood float or the flat side of the trowel, Ditra is pressed firmly on the substrate to ensure maximum thinset coverage. The fleece on the underside provides a mechanical bond to the substrate. Adjacent sections of the Ditra matting are simply abutted. Perimeter movement joints are required in any tile installation. This is easily achieved using Schluter Dilex EKE. Schluter Dilex EKE is a corner movement profile that effectively absorbs movement at inside wall corners and at floor wall transitions, and eliminates cracked grout or sealant maintenance at inside corners. Tiles can be set immediately after the Schluter Ditra is installed. Thinset is troweled over the Ditra using a notched trowel that is matched to the type and format of the tile. The square cutback cavities lock in the thinset mortar, which provides a mechanical bond to the tile. The tiles are set. Schluter Rondek, available with inside and outside corners, creates a clean, symmetrically rounded edge that protects and finishes the tile. Schluter Rondek and Schluter Dilex EKE make it possible to produce a functional tile base using field tiles rather than special ceramic trim pieces. This saves time and money and increases the utility of the tile covering. After the setting bed is cured, the floor is grouted. We hope you have enjoyed watching this Schluter Systems Ditra installation video. Schluter Systems offers full technical support. Contact your customer support representative at 1-800-472-4588. And please visit our comprehensive website with detailed information on the entire Schluter Systems product line at schluter.com.